Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Mashudorna from ThemeDev. In this video, I will show you how to set up discounts and coupons in the Thinly plugin. So inside the Thinly settings, as you can see, here is a menu for discount. So there I have to configure everything. So first we can see here is a option enable and disable switcher. If you want to apply or enable discount, you have to enable this switcher. So as you can see right now, our booking page, there no option for add any discount coupon code right now. Okay. So first I have to enable this option. So click this switcher for displaying discount option. And if I save change and again reload our booking. Okay, right now as you can see, here is a option for discount coupon, and customer can fill this input field or paste their coupon code, then they can apply this coupon for getting discount that you set in backend. So okay, and second option is title. The tab title, actually when you use tab from booking form tab style, then this title will be appear on the booking form. Next option is a coupon code. Here by default, as you can see here, by default coupon is special. So you can edit this coupon code or you can add multiple coupon code for your booking. So right now I explain this default coupon. So if I expand this coupon, as you can see, there is coupon title. You can write their coupon title. There is a coupon code. You can write or you can generate this coupon code. And also here is a label. As you can see, don't use special character and text must be uppercase. So this is example coupon code. You can write your coupon code using this pattern. And second option is discount type. You can set your discount type like percentage or flat rate as you wish. It totally depends up to you. However, and second option is an amount. You can set your discount amount over here, like discount type flat rate and amount is 10, or you can set percentage and discount amount which you want. Okay. So second option is start date. You can set your discount coupon code start date like from today, and you can set expire date like okay. Then you can set a minimum amount. Minimum amount means uh, when the booking will be applied, you can set the condition your total booking amount. Like their booking summary, this is total amount. So which amount will be for applying your coupon code? You can set your minimum amount, or you can set 0 if you have no limit. As you can see, this is level, so 0 is no limit. Okay, and you can use max uses. You can set max uses, and as you can set active or inactive status. So this is default coupon code. Now I just test this coupon code by applying. For that I copy this coupon code and here just apply this coupon code. Okay, paste here. As you can see right now, the total amount is and the subtotal amount is. When I apply this discount code and click apply button, as you can see, discount is applied. This is coupon code and this is the amount, and you can see the booking summary total amount is decreased for applying this coupon code. Also you can see the success message, or you can remove this coupon code. So this is a coupon code system. Now I show you how you can add new coupon code. Okay, for that you have to click add button, then expand this coupon. Now you have to write your coupon code. Like for example, I can set Black Friday. Okay, now write coupon code. So right, this is my coupon code, and discount type will be like percentage and 20%, and start date we can set same, and minimum amount I can set 200 and max use like 50. Okay, and then save cents. Okay, so I copy this coupon code, and now again try to apply this coupon code. Apply. So now our Black Friday uh, discount code is applied successfully, as you can see here, and I can see the after discount total amount. Okay, so hopefully you can understand the discount, how you can set discount, how you can create coupon code, also how you can apply booking form. So after creating a booking discount code, you can share this coupon code to your user so that they can apply this coupon code. So thank you so much. If you have any question or concern, just let me know in comment box, then I will reply you. Thank you.